Hey everyone, this is Mr. Molo. Just going to do a quick video, each one of the examples of how to find slope, this way that you have a better idea of how to complete the rest of the worksheet. So remember, when we're finding slope on a graph, we want to count the rise over the run. So rise, remember, is how much we go up or down, and run is how much we go right to left. If you remember, up is positive, down is negative, right is positive, left is negative. And these first couple ones are kind of nice. They give us the dots, which they want us to count to. So I always start from the left side of the graph to the right side of the graph. So from this dot, I'm going to go up 1, up 2, up 3, up 4, up 5, up 6, up 7, up 8, up 9. So my rise there is 9, and my run is to the right 1, right 2, right 3, right 4. So my slope for this graph is 9 over 4. Remember, if it was something like 8 over 4, we should always simplify when we can. Then we have problems like 5, 6, 7, 8, where we have an equation. Remember, when we have an equation, we're thinking of the form y equals mx plus b. And here we're just going to identify the coefficient, aka the number in front of the x, because that's our m, and that is our slope. So then on number 5, our slope here is negative 5/4, because that's the number in front of the x. Okay, and then 9 through 12, they give us coordinate pairs. So remember here, we're going to look for the change in y over the change in x, where we've usually written out the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And remember, this goes in alphabetical order. So 17 is my x, negative 6 is my y. Negative 11 is my x, 7 is my y. So when you see a coordinate pair like that, x always comes first, just like the alphabet, where x comes first. So if I subtract my y's, I'm going to subtract 7 minus a negative 6. Then I have negative 11 minus 17. So 7 minus a negative 6, remember we have same change here. So it's going to turn into a plus plus. So 7 plus 6 is 13. And then negative 11 minus 17 is a negative 28. And then again, like I said before, if you can't simplify, you should, but we can't simplify 13 over 28. So we have 13 over negative 28 as our answer there. And then kind of a preview of what we're going to do in a little bit, where we need slope to find a slope of a parallel line and a perpendicular line. So we're not going to worry about 13 through 16 today, but that's just something that's coming up where we're going to need slope here.